And it feels like
franchise, motherfucker.
Hey guys, so I'm in the Miami airport. I think I showed you KFC, so I've got my KFC here. I tasted it because I was hungry and I was talking to my auntie. First of all, let me tell you about this. Let's still go and complain about Jamaica prices, but I'm not gonna complain as hard because this 2-piece chicken, look at a little bit of fries, brother. I think I ate 3 pieces. I ate three pieces. I don't know if you can see. It's really not that much. One thing though, we get we do get this what do I call it again? Cannot remember. Yeah, I got those. First of all, I was looking at the menu and it's been so long since I've had KFC in America that I completely forgot how it works. Because you know, in Jamaica the KFC is like you have original spicy barbecue and it says that. So I'm looking and I'm like, do they only have like one choice? So then I finally found the right part, like where they have the 2-piece, 3-piece, which is way in the corner, girl. That's a different story. And it said dark meat and white meat. So me I said, oh, what a difference, like what does that mean? So she had to tell me that the dark meat is leg and thigh and the white meat is rib, breast and wing. So I was just like, what? It doesn't finish there. Tell me why. I got a famous bowl which is different too. I'll show you that when I'm eating it. I think I might eat this one around 5 o'clock because I have a late flight. Another story. Yeah, so me I ordered this now. My auntie asked me because I told them I want bowl only. So my auntie is asking me, she's like, bowl only? I mean, yeah, why would I buy this, get drink and fries, and then go buy this and get drink and fries? Like, I don't need that much. So the girl hear me, I talk to my auntie as I'm ordering, and she's like, oh, the drinks is a different price. The drink is $2. I was like, huh? So she laughed because I was shocked. Culture shock. Culture shock. This is what culture shock feels like. My bill for the Pepsi, a Coca-Cola Pepsi, the 2-piece chicken, and the famous bowl. Just drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think my bill was. I'll wait. Make sure you subscribe, like, and yeah. $20, 3,000 US JMD. I was shook. Yeah, so I'm hungry and I'm gonna try to connect my phone. Like I said, I took a bite. It's not bad, but it tastes like they tried really hard with the seasoning. Like I can taste, I don't know if it makes sense, I can taste the seasoning. Like, and you want to taste the seasoning, but it's strong, it's overpowering the actual like chicken taste, I guess, if that makes sense. It's not bad, but it still can't compete. It sure does smell nice though. It's giving Jamaica smell wise, but not taste wise. I'm at my gate now. This looks clean, doesn't it? Let's go sit down. Good morning, guys. I'm in Colorado. I'll actually talk to you guys some more when we go on the road. We're going to Walmart, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm in Colorado. It's giving Cheektowaga, it's giving Tonawanda. I know you guys don't know, but some of you don't know that, but if you're from the Buffalo side, then you might know those names. Well, where I'm at is giving that vibe, but the city life, I only saw a little bit of it last night, and I won't be able to experience it on this trip because I'm here until tomorrow morning. But yeah, my cousin's phone is going off. They're so cute, oh my god. So my cousin's wife is dropping off their kids to school. I'm here for an interview, and I'll talk more about that in the next video. Like at this point though, when you're watching this, I will know my results, so I don't know. I don't know, but I'll talk about it in the next video if I'm comfortable, if it goes well, and if not, I'll still share some like fun stuff if you guys want to know more. But after that, we're going to head to Walmart and just pick up some stuff. I need stockings and I need to print out some things. I don't know why I completely forgot. I'm going to print them out at Jamaica, but I completely forget. But I need like whole heap of copies, so guys, look at this. We're in a, I don't really know what to call it, a head store. That's so cool. Baby Yoda. Yeah, weed is legal in Colorado, so I'm just gonna show you guys what they're looking like. Reminds me of like Hot Topic, but just for weed stuff. And see all of the pipe them here. Cool. Wow. That is so, they're unique. But can you believe people are making these? Like, they're made out of glass, so the trade is really cool. Like, can you imagine bending glass to these shapes? Yo. Incense. Sashana love burn incense. That smells nice. Really? Very fresh. Sashana would love. Guys, Sashana loves burning incense. Oh, they have a lot. They have a lot. Black coconuts, what it smell like. Wow, this smells really nice. It actually reminds me of Tresemme, and I like it. Smell is doing.
Nuts.
Black coconuts.
That one smells sweet with you.
Good. Make sure you smell it. That smells nice.
Yeah?
Let me see. Yo, it's strong and it's pretty. I can't imagine you burning it. It's pretty. So Walmart didn't have the printout, so we're going to come to the library, and they should be able to print out a couple things though. Yeah. Sorry, all the sun is behind me, so I'm looking down into the camera, but we're heading into another library now. Alright, so okay. Oh, maybe they start doing it with COVID? Yeah. No free mask. Yeah, good. Check out. So let me get this printed. And then I'll get back to you guys once we're in the car.
About me, 'cause you are mine, so you better let them know about me. Tell me if you're down.
okay, don't hate me. I honestly was not in Colorado for long, so I really didn't get to do anything touristy. I'm leaving Colorado now, and I'm heading to Philly, and from Philly I'm heading to Miami. From Miami I'm heading to Fort Lauderdale, and then I have a couple days in Fort Lauderdale. I'll show you some touristy stuff if I can. My cousins, I did vlog my cousins. They do have a YouTube channel. My cousin does like catch and cook videos in Trelawney, but he's in Denver now, and I've told him like, please share your experience on like the visa process, getting your visa, getting up here, like the cost and everything. So he's gonna do that video, and if you want to check it out, go to his YouTube channel down below. You can meet my other cousins because they're in some of his videos, and his wife, and pressure him to make the video because he said he's gonna do it, but you gotta let him know you want to see the video, because I think that's an amazing thing that you can even share with family members in Jamaica, because getting a visa to come to the US from Jamaica is really hard. So I really told him that that's a story that a lot of people need, and his experience, he's had downs and ups, so that would be perfect if he would share those experiences with you guys, and he said he would. So me, I'm gonna pressure him, and you should pressure him too. Check the description box for his channel. So I'm here now. The Denver, Colorado airport is so confusing, and these people, like the gate agents, some of them barely want to help you. I mean, they'll answer you, but it's very dry. So I mean, anyways, in front of the flight thing now. I'm sorry, I'm the flight board now. I'm tired, it's early. I think I'm gonna buy some or something, but boarding for me starts at 7, so I really don't have that much time, and I'm at the very front of the plane and I don't want to wait. So
if you're riding, I'm dying, I promise you won't never have to wonder. If you're dying, I'm riding, just know that you won't never have to wonder.
alright, so I thought I would be a little cheaper if I walk across the way and get a sandwich. Bruh, look at the price of the sandwich. $11.49. Them dead. Me not do that. See, that's the thing. People don't think I'm not gonna call out fine. That's, I mean, it's the airport, but that's ridiculous. Let me humble myself and get a yogurt. What's the price on the yogurt? I'm gonna see the price, and there's no price up here. Yeah, immediately no. Minnesota foo-foo. Sorry, I don't got it like that, bro. Not for an $11 sandwich. Not like that. Let me go back across the way, and it's not even fresh. You must be mad. Anyways, I have 30 minutes until the start board, so I really need to hurry up. I don't want to get a milkshake because that's just not I'm not gonna do that. So let's look over here and see what actually makes sense. Oh, the prices aren't on this. Okay, all right, let me go back here. All right, let's see. My eyes are really red because I had to jury rig some lashes for yesterday, and I wouldn't recommend it, but you have to do what you have to do. I got a Black Angus steakhouse and a bottled water. Just something to eat. I think my flight, I don't know how long the flight from Denver to Philly is. So let me see really quickly. If I reach wow, I don't know the time difference, but I know there is a time difference. So my flight departs at 8 o'clock and I reach Philly at 1:23 p.m. Sounds like a math question, right? Yeah. I have a 3-hour and 29-minute flight. So yeah, and then the layover, it's like a 3-hour layover because I get to Philly basically. I leave Philly at 4 and then I reach Miami at 7:10. So there's some time differences going on because the flights aren't that long. But yeah, either way.
Never get tired of pulling with all these other girls. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused.
Hey guys, oh my god, it was a long day. I'm gonna take this off because I just took out my contacts and I don't know if it's the lotion that was on my fingers, but it's really affecting this eye. But it was a long day of traveling, literally from 5 a.m. oh god, it's literally, I need to get a fan. Literally from 5 a.m. till now is when I just finished showering. I have to squint this eye, it's hurting so bad. 11:33. Yeah, super bright. But yeah, I am very excited to sleep in tomorrow and the day after and the day after, because I have a 6 hours and 40-minute flight, so basically a 7-hour flight Sunday night, and I'm not prepared. I'm not ready for that flight. 7 hours. That's actually crazy. Actually I'm very excited, so yeah. But I'm at my auntie house in Florida. I'm gonna go down and get some snacks, get some juice, and come back up. I'm watching this show on Netflix, A Call to Spy, and I thought I watched it already. I probably watched bits and pieces of it, but yeah, it's very interesting. And I watched the Bombardment. So sad, based on a true story. This one is also based on a true story, but the Bombardment is really sad. And you know, anything that has to do with death, especially death with innocent lives, is really sad. But when you throw kids into the mix, no, that's heartbreaking. And that show was truly heartbreaking. Like, at moments I felt like I wanted to cry. I am such, I don't know if it's an empath, but I'm an empath. If I see someone crying, I will want to cry. Even if it's an actor acting, I will want to cry. Yeah, if I see someone sad, I'll feel sad. So yeah, but anyways, I'm just coming for checking with you. This is such a slack vlog, but I hope you guys enjoy. It's just like a travel vlog, but I really don't have enough time to like pick up the camera and show on. So the b-rolls that I do get on my iPhone, I try to get, you know, as much, just to make the vlog a little spicy. And I've flown my drone over here before and put it in a vlog, so I think tomorrow I'll just fly my drone and go walking and fly my drone. Oh god, if I get worse. All right guys, I really have to go. I have to figure out what I want with this, but I will see y'all in the morning. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're enjoying, stay tuned for more. And if you just come over here, check out some other vlogs. Peace. Good morning. I was in the kitchen and I was making breakfast, and I'm just like, girl, where is your vlog camera? So we're gonna keep it very top heavy, neck heavy, because I don't have a bra on and y'all don't want to see that. I'm making some breakfast. There's bagel, Philadelphia strawberry cream cheese, grapes, and tangerine. Grapes and tangerine. Nice, good breakfast. I don't know why I was trying to sleep in today. I'm gonna wake up early, bro. And then I tried to fake back to sleep. You know, lay down, close your eyes, all them things there. It was not working, so I got up. Yeah, I got up and just get ready for nothing. So now I'm eating. I watched some flight videos. Oh, I said I was gonna tell you guys. Anyways, I got the job. I got a conditional or contingent job offer for one of the airlines that I interviewed with. I have another airline interview. That's the long flight I was telling you guys about last night. That one is in the state of Washington. So it's way, like, I'm here right now. Yes, I'm here right now. and that one is over here. So that's why it's a 7-hour flight from one bottom part of America to the next top part of America. Not Washington DC, Washington State. So I'm super excited. Super excited. I'm just gonna go upstairs when I have this on deck and not go to sleep, eat and watch a movie. But I do need to edit my video, my country video today. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge. If you know me in real life, I'm weird, but it's a good weird. It's not a weird. It's a funny weird. It's like that girl's gonna make you laugh weird. Yeah, and that's it. I'm gonna grab a Ritz, but I'm gonna go upstairs. I just wanted to talk to you guys in the morning, make sure I'm not forgetting, and yeah, that's it. So alright guys, so I did not go anywhere today. Like, I barely even left the room. But I do promise I will go somewhere tomorrow. I slept because yesterday when I got to Florida, when I got back to Florida, I've been traveling from 5 a.m. and I got in after 10. The day before that, I was in an all-day interview, and then the day before that I've been traveling from 5 a.m. again, and I didn't get to Colorado until around 11:30. So please excuse this. This is not a like travel vlog. This is just a come with me vlog, even though the title says travel vlog, because I am traveling, but it's not a tourist vlog. I just want to bring you guys with me. But tomorrow I promise I will get up and go somewhere, I'll walk somewhere. Yeah, until then, I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning guys. I don't remember if I spoke to you. No, I did not. Good morning. I did not speak to you guys this morning. I'm in Walmart with my cousin Jason, and he's stocking up for his business. So we're gonna see all the things that he gets, and yeah, there's a turn for the vlog. So the vlog after this point will start getting really interesting. Even though the first 10-12 minutes was really cool, we're doing the thing. So let's see what Jason gets in the supermarket, and then I'll get back to you guys in a couple. Hours later, I am watching Hunk.
Hey, can you give me another battery, please? This thing seems to be going on.
With Jason. I'm actually gonna see you guys probably later tonight when I get back to my auntie's house. And We didn't go to the Burna Boy concert today, but we're gonna go to the Dexta Daps concert.
Besides all that, what happened over there?
Excited for that.
That's not what this is about.
Yeah.
That's not why you all are here, okay?
Hey guys, good afternoon. I don't know how to. There we go. Jason and I. Jason is my cousin. I'm not sure if I ever talked to you guys about Jason, but he's not right here at the moment. But we grew up together. Jason is more of like a big brother to me than a cousin, because when we were living together in Portmore, like before he moved, because he moved to America before I did, and then me, mommy, and Auntie Debbie moved to America. But we grew up more as siblings. Like, he was the person that I was fighting over for the remote. Like, he was a person that would, you know, the thing that my big brother would do, that's what Jason did with me until before he moved. We haven't been like very, very close since we moved, but we're still family. And he used to live in Chicago, so when I would go to Chicago, I'd see him. When I come to Florida, I'd see him, vice versa, you know. So we're actually heading to a Dexta Daps concert. I've never been to a Dexta Daps concert, and I'm really excited. So Jason is bringing me. It's Miami Carnival weekend. We would have gone to the Burna Boy concert last night, but girl, the Burna Boy concert was like 360 something a pop. That is expensive. That is expensive. It was very last minute, and it was sold out. So like those tickets that were coming up were very like overpriced market tickets, if that makes sense. So we are heading to Dexta Daps concert. It honestly started already. It's supposed to end at 11, and then we're gonna go down to Miami. Oh my god, I'm getting a treatment. Like, I'm so excited. And this is the type of treatment that I want to be able to give my friends and family, like when they come visit me in Jamaica or wherever I am. Like, I want to be able to take them out and treat them. Jason was the one that took me to that restaurant yesterday, and I think, you know, you saw like the things that he chose, but I just didn't get to introduce him. So when he comes back, I'm gonna ask him if I can introduce him to the vlog, and if yes, then you guys will meet my cousin in like 3 seconds. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I really appreciate all the love that you show me. I hope you enjoyed the drone footage, because I do have some drone footage from the last time I was in Florida. Granted, they're not of Miami, but they're drone footage of the night, and you know, I can set a scene with them. So I really hope you enjoy them regardless. But yeah, I will see you guys when we're on our way, and we hope you enjoy all the content and all the b-roll. I've been using my iPhone to film the b-roll, so let me know what you think about that. And he's on the phone, so I'll give him a minute and we'll be back.
I gave you. As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I love you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know.
Okay, so we're going in now. We're just checking the tickets in. I'm gonna make a TikTok video as well. You guys know I love making like a TikTok video them. So
I wouldn't know what to do. I'll probably check myself into some kind of clinic. I couldn't be alone because without you I'm sick. Here's my
let me say it again. If you're here and you see somebody dancing with somebody else's husband or wife, what you do? Mind your own business. I said it earlier also, but I'm gonna keep on saying it for the rest of the night. Especially to the fellas, the gentlemen that came out with their ladies. Do not break up with your woman, because your woman take a picture with Dexta Daps. Don't do it. Don't do it. If you're from the Caribbean and love where you come from right now, make some noise. Some of you are proudly from the Caribbean today, but when you're at work, Monday through Friday, you act so American. Big up the people outside that represent where you come from every day of the week. When you eat your kind of food. When you talk, you talk your kind of way.
I not have time to walk all the way around this, so me I step through grass.
Born January 16, 1972.
But I know me, right? For those who don't know me, my name is Dexta Daps. She said,
One more time. You see that song called Breaking News? I don't want to take it the wrong way. I don't want to cross the line. Everybody know there's a line and it's not invisible, so don't cross the line. You see what I say? Everybody know all fun in music. You see what I say? People blame me for all kind of things, but that's not one blame me gonna take. That song here is magic. You understand? I will sing that song here for girls and girls and people who know about relationship. Press play. Listen to my words carefully, you know. Cause I know that I'm gonna know what I want, you know. Start going to keep my body like rising. Appreciate the strength. Want to show Dexta Daps throughout the years. Dexta Daps fans and say, Napa! That's me I'm talking about. You don't know who she eats well. For me, yes, she eats well. I'm not a easy. I couldn't believe it, because I almost believe it. I know the things that not a need that thing. Come on, you're acting me, I'm feeling make sure some friend come share the place. God, I know I'm in a walk alone. Which part my bad brother there? Give my bad brother in him now. When you sing, pussy them a chop, body will like them a chop. Ready now? Alright, let's go. Damage music. You ready now? Run it again. Just play some. And the lights are on you. And the light of you can see. And the sun of you can see. You don't believe the stories. You don't let them and I just don't know.
So now we're in the meet and greet line and it's raining outside, so we were once at the front. Now we're kind of like in the middle section of the line, but we're waiting. I'm gonna get a picture regardless, and then we might go to the ding dong party. So you know what it is. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and big up yourself if you've been watching from yesterday. Alright guys, we're on the stage now. I'm gonna try my best when I get up there to have like somebody record, but if he's right there. Look at him. Yeah.
Ready? This way.
Thank you.
Just shut in. Put your name.
Everybody got that stuff all trick, all kind of because this phone doesn't. Let's see it.
taking pictures in my mind. Got the sun in my hair.
Alright. Hey guys, so we're ending off the vlog. Very all over the place travel vlog with us back at the airport. I hope you enjoyed. I went to the Dexta Daps concert. I saw my cousins in Colorado. I was meant to go to Seattle and Portland, but I didn't end up going, so maybe I'll go in November. Yeah, so I'm really excited. I'm glad I got the job with the airline that I interviewed at, so that was exciting. And now we're just going to wait until we get back all the paperwork and get back like an official letter, and then we're going to run all of them check on everything. So like, we're excited. But if you did enjoy it, I think I might be coming back to Miami in like 2 weeks with someone. Drop a comment down below if you got to this point and you can guess who I might be coming back with. That would be very fun and exciting, so then we can get like a bit more touristy stuff. And even while I was up here, I was thinking to myself, like, Bicana, why don't you reach out to hotels that are in Miami and hotels that are in New York? Like, I can, you know, mechanical works with the camera, with the drone. So I need to stop selling myself short, reaching out to these hotels in Jamaica and them not even blinking our way. So I'm just gonna reach out to some more hotels in different countries and see what's what. And yeah, I didn't want to come on here and ramble. I just want to tell you guys thank you so much, and I hope you have a great morning, afternoon, evening, or night whenever you're watching this. And I really appreciate all of your support, all of your comments, and I'll check you guys later. Bye.